Oh man, that time it stopped. Alright, so anyways. Dude, stay in your lane, bro. I gotta stay in my lane too, right? Do what I say, not what I do. That's a terrible way to think. I used to always like doing this at the very start. Then I noticed it's because you can see it's a pain in the butt. You have to do some stuff. Let's do a spin around right here. Come on, girl. You're on the inside lane. Put my hand in the handle. Put the lock on it. Oh. Let me pull up the slack. But that messes up the already bad video. Good girl. Alright, we're gonna go down here to the end, flip around and go back. Get her over a little, give her some space so she can.